हेलो एंड वेलकम स्टूडेंट। इस वीडियो में हम एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो कि चैप्टर 8 ट्रिग्नोमेट्री क्लास 10th CBSE 2025 के लिए लिया गया है। एंड आवर क्वेश्चन इज इफ sin a इक्वल टू 3/4 वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट cos a एंड tan a। सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट sin a इक्वल टू हाइट बाय hypotenuse, that is small h by capital H, which is equal to 3/4. It is a given part. Now we can let height is equal to 3k and hypotenuse is equal to 4k. So now we will apply Pythagoras theorem to calculate the base, and we draw a triangle with an angle b equal to 90 degree. It is a right angle triangle. AB is height, AC is hypotenuse, and BC is the base. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write capital H square equal to small h square plus b square, that is hypotenuse square equal to height square plus base square. And to calculate the base square, we can write b square equal to capital H square minus h square. Now we can put the value of hypotenuse, that is 4k, in the bracket with the square, minus value of height, that is 3k, with the square on the bracket. Now we can open the brackets and get b square equal to 16k square minus 9k square. Now we can take the k square as a common value, and in the bracket we can write 16 minus 9. We get here k square multiply by 7, that is equal to b square. And finally we get the value of b equal to under root k square into 7. We can take out k square as a k from the square root, and we get the value of b, that is k under root 7. Now we can easily calculate the value of cos a, and we know that cos a is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Now we can put the value of base, that is k under root 7, and value of hypotenuse, that is 4k. Now we can cut k from numerator and denominator and get the value of cos a, that is equal to root 7 by 4. Similarly, we can calculate the value of tan a, and we know that tan a is equal to height upon base, and we can put the value of height, that is 3k, and base, it is k root 7. Again we can cut k from numerator and denominator, and finally we get the value of tan a, that is 3 under root 7. So these are the two answers of cos a and tan a. Thank you for watching this video, students. Please like and subscribe our channel to support us. If you want to join Ace Education classes, please call us at 958-2397-449. Wish you good luck, all students.